Okay guys, I'm here at San Telmo Market. Let me show you the market for those of you who want to come here. You can buy a lot of things here, like bracelets, different kind of rings, bracelets, like books. You can even buy shoes here as well. Yeah, man.
Como la princesa.
Looks very interesting. You can even buy clothes. Oh, look at these pipes. You have also a lot of restaurants around the market. You can eat over there. There's a lot live music going on. Hola. Yeah, you can buy a lot messy stuff here as well. They love messy here. That's nice. Hola. ¿Qué es eso?
Inciensos.
¿Ciensos?
Sí.
It's like
Incienso de la India, índico. Sándalo dulce.
lemon, ¿no?
Ese es sándalo dulce. No es cítrico, pero es este, sándalo dulce. Limón
okay.
es este. Limón.
Es también.
No, este es otro.
también.
Este es sándalo.
Sándalo. Ah, ok, muy bueno. Soy un youtuber. And like, yo trabajo en el momento. Mostrar la...
Este es la champa.
Qué buena. Es muy buena. Hey guys, if you want this kind of stuff, it smells very good. Gracias, yeah?
Gracias.
Nice. Sitting here, have a drink, and enjoying the tango show. Well, let me show you more of the place here. Just if you're wondering what's going on here, if you want to come to the San Telmo Market. Let me see. Yeah, they have a lot of bracelets and rings, earrings and stuff. And they have this called mate. It's very famous here in Argentina. It's a drink that they love to drink. I was talking to a guy, he told me it's very famous in Argentina, Uruguay and south of Brazil. They drink it a lot. They have juice here. Hola. Sí, voltar, yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna get me a juice after the video. I love orange juice.
apenas bajada de la escalera, tiene una columna. O así.
Yes, they love this guy here, man. It's Maradona and Messi. Two most famous people. I see pictures of them everywhere, guys, everywhere. So I make a circle around the market and that's it, guys. Just in case if you want to come here,